Welcome to the channel, welcome to the driveway. Do some work on the Scirocco today. I've seen a short a couple of weeks ago. I found the problem with my Speedo not working. The Speedo cable had severed at the dashboard end. So new cable, new gasket for the top of the gearbox, and I've got a new drive cog as well. I'm not sure if it's the right one. There's several different types depending on what the gearbox is. We'll find out. If it's the same one that's in it, I'll swap it. If not, we'll put the other one back in because it's absolutely fine. But yeah, just going to go through, work out where this thing's routed. It seems a relatively straightforward job, but I've said that now. So we know we can get access to the back of the dash to get into the clocks. That's good. I just need to work out how it runs through the engine bay. And I do know that it's the bolt that holds everything together is about 14 inches into the engine block itself through all the injectors. We'll go flight in a minute, which means we want to jack this thing up. So let's see how we're going to get to swapping this over. Cheers. So this one's the Speedo cable, runs through, it runs into the bulkhead just through there, runs all the way down and then heads down underneath the brake master cylinder and servo. And if you can see that bolt there, that's what holds it into the gearbox. So the plan is to jack the car up so I can clean the top of the gearbox to stop all the crap dropping into it before I unbolt the thing. And then I need to drop the under panels on the driver's side so we can get access to the back of the clocks. So looks relatively straightforward, but we'll see. Biggest thing is going to be able to get my hand up through this bit here to get to the nut. I think to get the nut on and start that going. But let's get this thing jacked up. Let's get the panels off under the driver's footwell. Get access to all of the cable, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so you can see panels are out. We've got access underneath the dash. It's now on. Trolley jacks, there are axle stands underneath there. This is the front end up. Again, I'll just show you. We do have axle stands just in case. I think it's time to start. Get underneath it on this end and start trying to clean the top of it. I won't do that because there's no way I can shoot that. It's so tight for space down there that no matter what I do, I don't think you'll be able to see anything you can see. So I'll get that cleaned off and I'll show you how I'm going to get down there to the bolt head to take it out. Cheers. In fact, here's how we get into it. Oh. It's just on top of here. I'm just going to give it a bit of a clean off. Get rid of most of the rubbish off the top of this because the bolt head's just here. I want to get it clean before I take the bolt out the top of the gearbox. Oh, the joys of working on old cars out on our driveway. Right, see how clean that is, and then we'll strip the cable out from the other side. Okay, so I've disconnected the Speedo from the clock end, which is through this bulkhead here. I've loosened up everything else outside here, so the only thing we need to get out is, it's not very clear on it. There's a grommet that goes through the bulkhead, which is just pulled out really easily, and then you can just about see the cable coming out. Let's just go which way around does this go? It goes underneath that. Okay, so that's out, and as you can see, there's no drive in the end of that, it's completely sheared off. So that's out. I need to get to the other end now, and then just see if I can show you that. Let's get to the other end now, see if we can get the bolt out. So, because the bolt is so far down the engine bay on the top of the gearbox, I've had to buy a load of extension pieces so I can go through the top up here and go all the way down. Because I don't think from underneath there's enough room to get a socket in. So I'm going to try this first. Yeah, I had to buy a load of extension pieces for this. Anyway, it's a 13 milli if you want to take it off. Right, let's see if we can get this down. There. There we go, I can see. There we go, it's on. Oh, it's alright. That's it. see if it's gonna. I'm not sure how big this bolt is, so let's just maybe get underneath and get the thing out. But yeah, that worked a treat. Right, let's go see if we can get it undone. Okay, so it's out. I even took the drive out of it, and we're going to get this out from here now. Let's go this way. Bear with me. I'll move around. This is going to be tricky getting back in. Oh no! There we go. And I think I've got the right drivetrain thing. Let's have a look. I think so too. I'm just going to check that, make sure the teeth look at the same angle, but I think that's the right one. Perfect. We'll swap that out. I'm just going to check the orange one's not a different drive, because they're all colour coded. If not, we'll put that one back in. But that one doesn't look that warm. No, I think that one will go back in. Right, let's hit this out because I need to get this off to put it on the new one. I'll show you that in a minute. And get our circlip off. That holds that in place. Okay, so we'll go through from the end. This is the end that snapped. So this is the new one. The black one's the new one. This is the original. I think from the original car. Its grommets moved. This one is nicely fixed in position. So once you pull through, you've got the correct cable on both sides. Now this end, what we need to do is this drive wheel needs taking off. I'm not convinced they're the same one. I think there's an orange one. So we're going to take this one off. It should pop off, and then there's a circlip which goes on. I think it's on here. You click this back on, and you're good to go. I've also got a new grommet that seals the top of the gearbox. See, this one has completely perished, so I've got to this just in time, I think. So the new one on, and to pop that off. Yeah. Let's get a camera up and see if I can get that done easily. Apparently, you just pull it off, and it should just pop. We'll see. Let's see if that is actually the case. I have to keep an eye out for this circuit pinging off. So let's come off. There's the circuit. It goes. You can see it just there turning in the middle, and then it goes in there. So I'm going to get that off. I'm going to have to get mucky hands. I think we might need a little screwdriver. Yeah, a smaller screwdriver. So let's try a little one. It's off. That needs to go. And there. And then this. There's a hole in it. Let's see, it's got a hole in it there. It needs to correspond to the opposite. Oh shit, well, I'm going to put it back on the wrong one then. It's the opposite side. Right. So get some needle nose pliers and just tighten that up a little bit. Just think spread open a little bit. Let's get one again. Just do that. Let's just go in. Let's go in that thing. That's smooth, isn't it? There we go, got it off. Alright, so this needs to spin. Make sure this is spinning all the way through. I'm not convinced. Yep. Alright, spin all the way through, that's on. Nice and solid, I think. Yep, perfect. This one's done, let's get it back in and thread it back through the engine bay. Can't forget that, can I? Show you on the steel. That way around, I think it was. Yep. Right, I'm going to get rid of the old one before I mix them up and put it back on again. Okay, so we can get this snaked back in. So, went in there. Down, in. There. Pretty good. Yeah. I think what we're going to do is I think we're going to bolt it down this end and then I'll sort the other end out to make sure I don't put anything wrong. Yeah, we'll bolt this one down first. So get the bolt in and we'll go down through with the plug socket and tighten the whole thing up. Okay, that bolts in. So that's in. Sorry about that. Goes. Going through the bulkhead. In. And do the same top of the curtain. This is nowhere near. Oh right, that's useful. Okay. I thought this was in a fixed position. It's not. It does move. Thank God for that. I thought the cable was too short. Right, so just. That's through. Right. Inside. Let's see if we can get this thing kept to the back of the box. So, other than me trying to crawl in it, I don't know how you'll be able to see on this, but you can get right up here and behind the bulkhead. So I need to find where that cable's coming. Let's see if went to the back of the clock. Go through that. Oh right, okay. That's not gonna be easy. Right, okay. Ouch. We'll get to another hole to the bulkhead. That's not gonna be easy. Okay, some faffing, it's in. I thought there was a double bulkhead. Turns out it's not just one, it's that white one. There. You'll see it, that's in. It took a bit of a lining hanging in the back of the clocks. For example, it's clicked in. So next job is we're going to drop off the axle stand. I've put some cable ties in a few locations to hold it as it was before. And then we're going to take it for a run and see if my Speedo actually works. Fingers are crossed. My daughter's over there, her fingers are crossed. We'll see. So, test drive. Let's see if the Speedo actually works. So, let's see. You ready? It's working. Perfect, it is working. Something fixed on the Scirocco for now. There'll be something else, no doubt, but really happy. Right, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hope this was useful. Because I couldn't find a video that actually showed how to change one of these on a Scirocco. Golfs, yeah. Scirocco's, no. So, thanks for watching. Cheers.